Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2025 Ram 1500 and I'm going to show you how to remove the front grille. In order to remove the grille, first thing we have to do is remove the top cover. There's a bunch of push pins all around and you can remove them with either a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. So what you want to do is get your prying tool screwdriver underneath, raise the top of the pin and take it out. So once you have all the push pins removed, we can go ahead and lift up on this cover and put it to the side. So the brow consists of these bolts on top and there's two push pins. So since I already have my tool in my hand, let's go ahead and remove the two push pins. So now that I have two push pins out, let's go ahead and get the bolts out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by taking out all the hardware from the top, we should be able to separate the brow from the grille. So just push this forward and then it comes out. Set this aside. Now I want to take out these 4 10mm screws on top. So everything on top is already removed. Let's go ahead and take off these two sides because there's going to be a couple of hidden bolts on each side that secures the grille on the bottom. So what we want to get a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. If you want to try to pry it from the bottom, there are some clips, and the way to disconnect them is just by pushing inward, and that's going to kind of take the flap to the side and it's going to release. So here's one. No, let me get a screwdriver, it's going to work better. I'm going to grab it on the bottom and then I'm going to go ahead and press the tab in. See? So what I was doing with the screwdriver is pressing on these tabs so that way they unclip. So when you screw this in and you press in, it makes it unclip and you have access to these bolts. So let's do the same thing on the passenger side. Okay, so same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and release the tabs. There it is, that's one. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use an extension to get these bolts out. Alright, so on this side to summarize, we've taken out 2 long ones and 1 short 10mm screw. Now let's do the same thing on the passenger side. Now that we've removed all the bolts on top and 3 on each side on the bottom, we can pop off the grille. There's 2 locks here on the outside. What you want to do here is just lift these up. It's a tab. Lift it up, unlatch it, lift it up, unlatch it, and now you can grab it and remove it. And this is how you remove a front grille from a 2025 Ram 1500. Please follow us for a light bar install, which we're going to do next. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something.